Ooh, to see more of this juiciness, keep watching. Today we are going to be learning how to make meat pie. So we have our potatoes, carrots, minced meat, butter, and some spices, including our flour. Don't forget that. So now we are going to be putting the flour into a bowl. Yeah, I'm using about 250 grams, and I added some baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and some AROMATIKA also to add some flavor. So I'm adding some sugar, yeah. So I'm adding 1 egg into the mixture, and my butter. The butter, make sure the butter is cold. You don't want it to be warm. Yeah. So I'm mixing. Yeah, done mixing. So I'm going to be adding milk. For those that are lactose intolerant, you can exclude this. Yeah. So I'm mixing. We want to mix. So now we're adding warm water bit by bit. Apparently, soft though. It became soft, but with you add some. If it's soggy, like just sprinkle some flour, then it will be fine. Then I'm kneading with my cute hand. So I kept it in the fridge for like 1 hour. 30 minutes. So now I'm frying my onions. I'm just trying to find myself, keep on going. So we'll be adding paprika by choice. But I trust in God that I know soon enough the answers come. The journey that I'm on, gotta fulfill before I'm gone. My purpose and I'm searching, steady searching. Gotta focus, gotta know what's left for me. Gotta open up and see. Gotta touch what I can reach. Peace by peace, I'm not stopping till I reach the peak. Potatoes. Yeah. Chopped potatoes. So I'm adding AROMATIKA. Don't make the AROMATIKA too much. Don't want it to be too sweet. I'm adding pepper, some garlic, some ginger, some curry. Just make everything all at moderate level. You don't want it to be too much. So now I'm going to be adding the minced meat. So we'll stir till it is cooked. Now I'm mixing corn flour with some water to use as our thickener. So I'll put that into the batter. So cook to make it soft. Then now we'll be rolling out our flour that was in the fridge for like 30 minutes. So roll it. You don't want to make it too flat. People don't know this day I was rushing. See the result of our rush. Please, when you're adding your filling, don't make it hot. Let it be cool. Because it will be rushing. That's why I had to do this. So I put the whisked egg, to make it gum together. So use your fork to give it that meat pie look. Understand what I'm talking about? So if your fork is it's sticky, just put it into flour and just do your thing. Now I'm putting it in the baking tray, adding my eggs, and our meat is looking good. So please like, subscribe, and share my video. See you next time.